Kiesa Magleo, Sales Marketing Officer in Alphatruck Philippines. Alphatruck is direct importer of Huwu brand. Hawak po namin ng mga Sinotruk po, from light vehicle to heavy duty na vehicle. And then, hawak din po namin yung XCMG na mga heavy equipments. Ang Huwu brand namin is may Huwu, which is from light vehicle to heavy vehicle, from 10-wheeler, 12-wheeler, and then yung mga 6-wheeler. Meron po kaming dump truck, tractor head, and then mini dump. Pwede rin po kami sa mga cargo truck like drop side. Meron din po kaming wing van. Yung Huwu Max namin, pwede rin po siyang dual purpose. Pwede sa cargo and then pwede po sa dump truck. Top seller unit namin is dump truck. Normally, yung mga client namin like contractor, logistic companies, cooperative, private sectors. And then yung mga nagko-quarry po, may mga sand and gravel. Yung mga client namin, mga ganun po. Naghanap po sila ng financing. Pumunta po dito yung RFC and then na-accredit po kami as their dealer partner. Since then, dumami na po yung aming transaction. Marami na din po kaming client through their assistance in financing. RFC is pass approval, less requirement. Very light naman yung mga requirement. Basic lang po. Kaya maraming natuwa din ng mga client. Doon na po nag-start ang aming good relation with RFC. Kaya sa mga naghanap po dyan ng brand new truck, from light vehicle to heavy equipment, pwede po kayong mag-visit dito sa aming branch para makita nyo po yung aming product. Dito lang po kami sa Bacag, Villasis, Pangasinan. Our company is Alphatruck Philippines. I am Kiesa Magleo, Sales Marketing Officer in Alphatruck Philippines, and we are proud RFC ka-partner.